Hey guys, and it's nighttime, and for today's video, I am going to make a video about EAS alarm. So I'm gonna charge my phone real quick. So yeah, and now let's watch the video. Wait, what the EAS alarms? So I searched this up. So yeah, okay, now let's start with the Ukrainian. I believe this is actually like fake or something. I think it's fake. This is Alberta. I don't know if this is actually a capital city of Canada, so I'm just skip. I'm pretty sure this is never scary. But you don't even have a EAS alarm. Try people of South Africa. So yeah, I'm sorry for that, but okay. What's a real ES alarm? Oh, frick. Okay. I'm not going there. The heck? Yeah, I'm scared. I'll say no for a living, but anyways, yeah, Japan's really weird. Wait, I'm gonna flop this thing real quick. Yeah, this guy's. You guys can wait. Just wait. So, guys, I'm back. Real quick message. This is too scary for me. Oh my God, Siren Head! No, don't get me! Oh my God. I'll skip. What the? Wait. I'm gonna switch. So, I know this is a mock. I saw these before. Na. I bet Vietnam's ES alarm could be just like like Vietnam's using all the alarms for their own ES alarm, but people just swore Vietnam for using their own ES alarm for not a good reason, because the siren plays at Vietnam and it goes like it was really weird until I saw this pretty cool video that says that it's fake. So this is Kosovo. I say that is part of Kosovo. That is part of Serbia. Brunei supports Serbia. Yeah, it's not from Albania. It's from Serbia. But sorry, Albania, you need to keep training. Tongan. What the heck is this? Is Tonga even owned by Canada or something? Please, I want this to be Vietnam's ES alarm, because I want it to be 3, but that one's a lot. Vietnam's a lot. I'm here, this one. That's a nuclear alarm. Jamaica. That's it. Oh my God, it's using Tonga's. So this is a mock. Wait, is that even a mock? I don't think so. What the heck? Wait. So the E is their flag is actually correct. They're actually same. And the ES alarm is same. Wow, what the heck is happening with them? Crazy facts that I want you to know about Finland. The ES alarm is actually of Finland. You hear that guitar, right? And the guitar is not even part of the ES alarm. It's this type of commercial that it's a guitar type of commercial that after you hear the guitar, then you hear a truck about to drive. Very cool. Wait. This to be Russians yeah. Oh hello, who is here? Oh my god. That was weird. This sounds like pressing random numbers at one time. Okay, that's scary. It's actually my ES alarm, but it's a mock. Bruno is lying that they don't even have a real ES alarm, but they have a 1996 one. Really cool, really cool. Never heard of this, but yes, I did make a review about that in my shorts. I bet there's also a remix about this. Oh my god, you heard it. Please, wait, what the heck? Argentina? I told you. It also has RES1 too. Oh frick! No! Get out! Oh my god, that was so loud. Wait. Oh frick. God, I was scared. I'm scared. So Nigeria has that. Right? Yeah. Sounds nothing like it. What the heck? Is this a mock? Is this a mock or something? It is a mock, but yeah, just wait. I'm done. Didn't know about that. I know this one. Oh my god. I don't want to hear that ever again. Oh, not again. Bro, this is weird. Scary. Pensacola, this scary. That one is scary from this one. Wait, what the? Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Just wait, guys. Okay. That's not even scary. USA states have that kind of ES alarm. There's a country named Clyde. So it's Clyde-ish. I never heard of it. Okay. That's actually Germany's ES alarm, but it's speed up, which is sped up. No. Neymar! I don't know. I think he's Christian. Wait, what the heck? What the heck? Ew, no! No, get off me, spider! Oh my god, Wednesday. Hello, Wednesday. God, it's so funny. Here's Green. I thought it says emergency alert, like it whispers to you. It whispers to you, emergency alert. Emergency alert. Wait, let me show you. Emergency alert. Emergency alert. Like it does do that a lot. So let's go to Tuvalu. Ow. Maybe I shouldn't use it. Oh frick, no! Creepy. I want this to be in ES alarm. No. What is it even saying? Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna a beep. So you're doing this as a beep. Oh frick! Oh frick! Nah. So is that the key leading to that castle? The Balmoral Castle? No, bro. No. Lights me out. Fun fact: Angola symbol is actually the old. It is actually the old symbol of the hammer and sickles. The old hammer and the old hammer and sickle symbol. So they recorded this in the studio. That is weird. I think that's... Oh, right. Fun fact. This ES alarm is not real. It was just fan-made. Oh god. Oh my god. Chat. Fun fact. This is actually a nuclear mock. Na 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 na. Just kidding. Sounds like you're wiping the floor very hard. That's weird. It sounds like you're saying try but in a cricket way. Ew, no. I meant the fly way, but it's very loud. Oh my god, no. Ow! Ow, god. Ow! If you want to see part 2, see it tomorrow. Bye!